Introducing Sentinel, a wall-mount cylinder fixture by Keystone. Beautiful architectural accent lighting for outdoor and indoor applications. Sentinel features OpticSwap. Just unscrew the cap, take out the pre-installed reflector, and install one of the other included reflectors to change the beam angle. Screw the cap back on, and you're done. Keystone includes 3 different reflectors with each fixture: 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and 60-degree beam angles. And a 15-degree reflector kit is available separately, allowing more flexibility on the job site. The Sentinel also features 3 directional options: uplighting, downlighting, or full lighting 50% up and down. And it features adjustable power select to change the power output, and color select allows you to change the color temperature with the touch of a switch. If you're only using one lighting direction, our screw-on blocking cap is available in all sizes, creating a clean, finished look. With 3 included reflectors with different beam angles, 3 directional options, 3 power outputs, and 3 CCT, it's 81 SKUs in one product. Keystone FormFit technology transforms the aesthetics of Keystone fixtures. You can slide the FormFit accessory over the fixture and securely screw in the top plate. FormFit offers accessories in bronze, white, and black that fit over the existing fixture without impacting light output. It's simple and convenient. No need to wait for special orders. The Sentinel wall mount cylinders come in 3 diameters: 3 inches, 4 inches, and 6 inches. And with multiple housing finishes available in bronze, black, and white. And of course it's IP65 rated to handle the elements, and features a built-in dusk-to-dawn photocell for energy efficiency. The Sentinel wall mount cylinder fixture. Beautiful design, innovative features, and all the dependable LED technology you expect from Keystone. That's Keystone. Light made easy.